Proper post-production.
Hello guys, we're in.
We don't know.
We actually don't know. We think it's Spain because some of the buildings have got La and Sa. I think, is that right? Is that Spanish?
I have not got a clue. We just woke up on the cruise today
and
thought we'll have a wander off, and then we looked around and we don't actually know where we stopped.
So this is where we are. Oh. Yeah, because that casino over there says Casino Atletico.
Yeah, but what's different in French then?
French is like This is La.
But this is a Le.
I don't know, I'm going with Spain. Look at the trees, look.
Voulez-vous coucher?
Oh, my finger's over the screen. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Real little mama
Girl, my heart belongs to you. You can have it gladly, girl, I'll give it to you. You can have the lost.
Shh. Lucia, come back tomorrow.
So, we're trying to figure out what snacks to buy. We've just shown up and there's some exclusives.
Right, so show them this one, Pulse.
But that's not
First one.
exclusive though.
No, but look at the packaging.
Packaging's exclusive.
The packaging's exclusive.
But then you got this
Milka.
with cookies and
Chips
inside.
Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy! Alright, let me show you something.
And then we've got this
more.
one. Oh. Look at those. Oreos covered in melted white chocolate. Can't wait to try them. Just found another an exclusive. Pulse, show them.
White chocolate. Shh!
Jesus. Shh.
White chocolate digestives. Have you ever seen them in your life?
I've never seen them. Just got back to the cabin. Got these out. Gonna give them a go. And you're gonna stay tuned to see how nice they are. Come in a nice little silver packaging. I could actually do this, couldn't I? For like new sweets coming out. Sweeties channel. Twist Sweeties. Oh! Look at that bad boy. You would never think that's an Oreo. You'd think it's one of those, is it bonbons? What's the ones I'm thinking of? The little.
No, not bonbons.
What's the little like crusty?
Yeah.
What are they? Do you know what they're called? Honestly, trying to think.
As soon as you say it, I know what it is.
Croutons?
No.
What are they, guys?
begin with M.
Comment on the video below. What are they? You know what they are? Like the crusty.
They begin with M.
I don't know if they do begin with them. But anyway, let us know if you know. Here we go. Count me in, Pulse.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that is so nice. Look at the middle. That is incredible. It's basically the taste I'm getting in my mouth now are an original Oreo mixed with Milky Bar Kid. It's gorgeous. Go buy them in the shop near you, kids. Thanks for watching.
White chocolate digestives. Are you ready though? What's up? Get one out. It's looking good, but does it taste good? Let's have a go. Count me in.
3, 2, 1. What we tasting? Rate out of 10 straight away.
I'm just tasting digestive.
Oh.
If I'm completely honest.
What, you can't taste the white chocolate?
I can taste that there's like a
Something
smooth
else.
bit on the top, but it doesn't taste like. Ooh, I can taste chocolate. No, like with the normal dark ones, you just dip them in chocolate.
Yeah.
That's a bit thin. Like, it needs to be a bit thicker.
Okay, I like digestives now.
But it's not bad. It's not a bad taste. Talking with a mouthful. Don't do that, it's rude. But try them for yourself. Maybe I need a cup of tea.
Maybe. I'll go make you one.
Thanks.
No other way for me to say Be the Johnny to my chachi, bring me happy days. Be the Monica to my Chandler.
Look at that lovely sky. Look, come look at the sky. How nice that looks.
Look at the sky.
It looks like a backdrop. It's not a backdrop. It's the real sky.
Green screen.
Green screen. The lady's looking at us like we're fun. Stand up. Trust it. So high. Get you.
We're here at the Great British Sail Away. That's why we got the flags and everyone's partying on the boat, makes its way home. We're coming back to you.
We're coming back home, England.
We're coming back home.
Oh, silver lining, that's where we go, my baby. I see your sun is shining.
That's it, guys, we're done.
Our time has come to an end, Azura. Until next time, you were amazing.
See you later.
See ya.